Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In my last video we had 13 modifications that I made to the Boxford Lathe over the 50 years that I've had it. But I've also found another 2 modifications that I made which I completely forgot about. So let's go into the workshop and have a look at them. This is the Boxford Saddle with the top slide and compound slide. And there are 2 features that I forgot that I'd added to the lathe and I missed it off my last video. And I'd just like to thank Martin for sending me a text to say that I'd missed it off. The first feature is adding oilers to the saddle. You can see the oiler there fitted to the rear of the saddle. These are the oilers you can buy. They're just a piece of steel with a hole in the end, spring in the middle and a ball bearing, and you drill the hole to accept the outside of it, and it should just press in. So why did I fit those? Well, on the Boxford you have felt wipers here at the front and here at the back, and the problem is if you put oil on the V-ways, the felt wiper will just wipe it to one side. So you need to get oil in the middle of the felt wipers, and the only way of doing that is fitting oilers on each side. Now on the cross slide, this is the grub screw that tightens the nut, and there's no way of getting oil onto the cross slide screw. This is my cross slide nut. I've just removed it. This is how it fits. The screw goes through there, and in this hole is usually a pin with a ball on the end, and as you tighten this grub screw in the end, there's a taper on the end and it pushes out the pin. It just grips this nut and stops it moving up and down. So the only way I could think of getting oil to the screw across the top is to drill a small hole in the end for the grub screw and drill straight through the brass here into the thread on the from the inside. You can see there the grub screw. I've drilled a hole through so the oil can pass through the grub screw. And I've drilled a small hole through the centre of the brass into the thread at the bottom. So the oil can flow through the centre of the brass and reach the screw at the bottom here. Now I've refitted the cross slide nut, and I can put oil in the centre of that grub screw and it will oil the cross slide thread. And that puts oil between the 2 wipes. And you can see there the 2 oilers fitted and the top slide nut. Oh well, that's it for today. That's all the modifications I've done on the Boxford. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was useful. I'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.